Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Hogwarts Legacy game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application and then make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box and then type in Hogwarts Legacy and begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Now scroll down and then click on the Add to Cart button to add this game onto your cart. Now once you are taken into your cart, click on Continue to Payment and you can now choose your desired payment method from the drop-down menu. After choosing it, click on Continue. And now you will just need to provide the credentials for the payment method that you have chosen. Once your payment has been confirmed, the game will then be added to your library, from which you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Hogwarts Legacy game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Hogwarts Legacy game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.